today and tomorrow. Okay? Look here now. Today I discuss Doppler effect problems. Problem number 16 in your material worksheet. Worksheet now. Page number 77. Page number 77, the question number 16. In the 60, the question is, I can explain here now. Look here. Here Nana, this is the source Nana. According to question, source at rest, that means Vs becomes 0. Vs becomes 0. Okay? Next Nana, look here. This is the observer Nana. Observer. Here also, this is the source Nana. Source initially at rest. Here, this is the observer Nana. Observer moving away from the source. This observer moving away from the source now. Away from the source. Okay? Here observer velocity is given 50 meter per second. Okay? 50 meter per second. And given frequency of the sound is 100 Hz. 100 Hz. Find here speed of sound also given 335 meter per second. Find observed frequency ORR apparent frequency. Look here the question Nana. Here source is at rest. Observer is moving. Observer is moving away from the source Nana. According to this concept, n dash equal to n into. Look here Nana. This is V, this is V naught, this is V, this is Vs. According to question, source at rest, Vs becomes 0. Here, observer is moving away from the source. Observer listen less sound Nana. Here write minus. All the values substitute. Find, we get n dash value. Okay? This is the question. Next question I discuss Nana. The question number 61. Look here Nana. Here also velocity of sound in air is 330 meter per second. Here also stationary observer. Observer at rest Nana. Look here. V naught becomes 0 Nana. This is the source Nana. Here keyword in the problem, apparent frequency increases. Apparent frequency increases means observer listen maximum sound. That means source moving towards the observer. What is the condition? What is the formula? N dash equal to N. General formula V naught V Vs. Here observer at rest Nana. So that's why here apparent frequency increases means here denominator will be less Nana. Here N dash equal to N into V by V minus Vs. Here apparent frequency is given 50% increases Nana. Generally initial frequency 100%. Okay, 50% increases means 100 plus 50. Here N dash is 150 N by 100 Nana. Keyword in the question, apparent frequency here by 50% increases. Okay, here V value is given 330. Here V value is given 330. To find Vs Nana. N cancel, 100 cancel, 53 52 cross multiply and finally find out Vs value. Okay, this is the another question. Next question Nana. Question number 62 Nana. Look here. In the question number 62 also, here also stationary observer. Stationary observer means V naught becomes 0. Okay, no problem. Here source Nana. Here stationary observer means observer at rest Nana. Here source Nana. Here keyword in the problem, apparent frequency appears to be 6 by 5 times of the actual frequency of the moving source. That means Nana, here apparent frequency N dash equal to 6 by 5 of N. According to this situation, 6 by 5, that means n dash value greater than n. That means apparent frequency more. That means more frequency. That means source moving towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. In this situation, n dash formula n into V by V Vs nana. Here apparent frequency more, here more, automatically here less, because both are inversely. Here substitute n dash value nana, 6n by 5 equal to n into V value is given nana, velocity of sound value is given in the situation 360, here also 360. Here find velocity of source, n cancel. Here what is the direction of source nana? Source moving towards the observer, because according to question apparent frequency more. That means here according to question source always moving towards the observer. Next again I discuss another more problems nana. Look here. The question number 63 nana. Look here. The question number 63 nana. Velocity of source moving towards a stationary observer is equal to half of the velocity of the wave. What is the percentage increase in apparent frequency? Okay. According to question nana, percentage means final frequency by initial frequency minus 1. This is called fractional change in frequency into 100. That means this is called percentage change in frequency. Once again I repeat, final frequency by initial frequency. This is called fraction of frequency minus 1. Fractional change in frequency into 100. Percentage change in frequency. Okay. Here according to question 63 nana, velocity of source is v by 2 nana, v by 2, and again here stationary observer nana, v naught equal to stationary means v naught becomes 0. That means observer at rest. Here keyword in the problem, source moving towards the observer. What is the apparent frequency formula? N dash equal to n into V by V minus Vs. This means here source moving towards the observer nana. Look here nana, look here. According to question, n dash equal to n into, here V means V nana, V means V nana. Here Vs equal to V by 2. Here V minus V by 2, V by 2 nana, reverse aithe V cancel. Finally we get 2n nana. That means n dash equal to 2n. Okay. Find percentages nana. That means n dash equal to 2n means what is the n dash by n nana? 2. This is called fraction of frequency. Fractional change means n dash by n minus 1. Right side also 2 minus 1. Okay, this is fractional change in frequency. Percentage means both side multiplied by 100 nana. Look here, both side 2 minus 1, 1 into 100. That means how much percentage nana? 100% we obtain. Okay, that is the question. Next question nana, the question number 65 nana. Look here. 64 is the easiest problem, so I leave the problem. Okay. Next again the question is 65. A source of sound is moving with a constant speed 20 meter per second. The ratio of frequencies observed. Nana, the question is again I explain. This is the observer nana. Stationary observer means observer velocity becomes 0. Okay. Here in the first case source approaches. In the second case, source away from the observer. Okay. Once again I repeat, in the first condition, source towards the observer. Second condition, source away from the observer. Here apparent frequency n dash, here apparent frequency n double dash. Okay. According to find n dash by n double dash, that means n dash by n double dash can be calculated. That is the question number 65. Here n dash equal to n into, okay, v by look here now. Here source moving towards the stationary observer means v minus vs, equation number 1. In the second case, source moving away from the stationary observer, frequency is less. That means here denominator is more, equation number 2. Here find n dash by n double dash means equation 1 by equation 2. According to this situation, n dash by n double dash, here n cancel, v cancel, 1 by 2 means reversely v plus vs by v minus vs. Look here, v cancel, n cancel, it will be reverse v plus vs by v minus vs. Here v value v nana, but in the question vs value is given, v value is given 340 nana, vs value is given 20. Here also v value 340, vs value 20. In the above equation 360 by 320, 4 9s, 4 8s. This is the ratio of 9:8. Okay, this is the 65 problem. Okay, next Nana, I discuss another more problems Nana. Look here. Okay.